Hi and welcome! This video is all about the breaststroke kick. At first glance, it might seem simple, but it's actually one of the most technical, challenging movements in swimming. Let's take a closer look at the exercise. The child begins by pushing off the pool wall, with their hands either resting at their sides or stretched out in front. As they move forward, they bend their knees and kick backward in a circular motion. After each kick, a quick breath is essential. A few important details need attention to get the breaststroke kick right. First, the legs must move in perfect sync. The hips should stay level with the water surface and not tilt to one side. A common mistake, often called the scissors, happens when hips tilt and the legs move unevenly, making the kick inefficient. Another key point is correct foot positioning. As soon as the feet draw in, they rotate outward. Then, during the circular backward kick, they snap back inward, so they finish together in a straight line. If the feet don't rotate outward before the kick and inward afterward, the swimmer will struggle to move forward efficiently. Lastly, the glide phase is crucial. Once the circular motion is completed and both feet come together, the child should hold a stretched out position for at least 1 second. This brief pause allows for maximum efficiency and better momentum in the water. Because there are so many technical details to focus on, the breaststroke kick is first introduced through land trails before being broken down step by step in the water. On our website, swimy.org, we show exactly how to practice this skill efficiently, with the best drills and solutions for common mistakes. You'll also find expert tips and exercises to improve all core swimming techniques. The link is in the video description. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.